Yeah man, Jamaican Shore Fishing here guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Went out this morning, as you guys are going to see in the video, and got myself a barra this morning, and here we go. Nice 2-pound barra this morning guys. So what I'm basically going to do is get this guy cleaned up, because I really didn't want to put him in the fridge like that. And Laurie, my daughter, is bringing me the water hose so I can get some water over here and get this fish scaled and gutted so I can get them on some ice. This is where I normally scale fish at guys. I scale fish here on the wall underneath my mango tree over the side of the house, so I don't roar the whole yard up. Normally I do this at sea, but unfortunately this morning I was kind of in a rush to get back to the house this morning to get my regular chores. Stuff that people normally do on the weekends. They get their house cleaned and laundry done and whatever the case might be. But big up yourself guys. Stay tuned. Me and Laurie's here getting ready to do this and get this thing done. As soon as she can get me some water, I get some water in here, get some lime, get rid of the rawness. Can I get some water please? Thanks. And get rid of the rawness and get busy scaling this guy. And I went out this morning with intentions of just lure fishing. It wasn't really much of drop line fishing or jigging or anything like that off the case. But I got this lovely guy and he's gonna be lunch, I'll tell you that much. Definitely fresh barra, nothing like it guys. Laurie, can you get me some lime out of the fridge? Yes please baby. And the white cotton board please if you can. Yeah. I gotta get this water off guys. Get this guy all washed off and stuff like that. He was pretty, I had to bend him to put him in the cooler guys. So it was, I had to go him onto the grass and all kinds of stuff, so I wouldn't lose him off the lure, because he ended up coming off the lure after. It is what it is guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to this exciting video that I'm about to give you guys, because it was pretty exciting to me. Actually got me a real good, turn that off please. It got me a real good rush this morning. Thank you ma'am, I appreciate it. My beautiful assistant Laurie. That's what's up. Yeah man. So let's talk a little bit about lure fishing guys. Well, depending on the shade of the water and how the water is, the color of the lure you use. This morning I decided I was going to use a pink lure. I was like, let me give this a shot. I've never caught anything on it. Gave it a shot this morning. Lo and behold, he grabbed onto it. I was like, wow. You're gonna see the picture in the inside. I'm gonna drop the picture in the description guys, so you guys can see it inside the video, so you can see a clipping of it. But he gave me a decent fight on a 3,000 reel, 15-pound line and a 7-foot light rod, and that was pretty exciting. But stay tuned guys. We'll get this guy gut scaled and cleaned up. I hope I don't have scales flying all over my stuff. Alright, let's get busy. Let me get my watch off here. Smell like fish. Material absorbs everything, so I have to do it like that. So basic scaling guys, I have a scaler tool, get one, real important, and I just pretty much get the scales off of this guy. try to get all his fins off. I always have my scissors in my box, guys. Definitely buy one of these for your box. Get the fins off nice and clean, and there you go. Get those off. Clean up your fish, guys. Less chances of cutting yourself too. Yeah. Sometimes this is a challenge. Just gotta press and go through, and that's it. It's a wrap. So I normally just get like 2 of them, just put them one for when I do my water change. When I'm some people really don't do the water change, but I kind of like doing it because I like to get everything out, guys. So how I do this, guys, I pull his gills up, and then I use the scissors and snip away, guys, under his, right here in front of his gill. So, see, just like that. Then I come back here behind the gill, and I cut down, and open him up, guys. He's gonna start bleeding, of course. That's what it is, fish. This is how I got fish, guys. I scale them first, and then I gut them. And it's interesting to see, guys, because I like to look on the insides of my fish to see what their diet is and what they've been eating. I don't think we can show that on YouTube, but yeah, this guy seems to be normal. It's okay. Let's get his ear bag out, and let's get all his guts out. So what I normally do is just get from behind, and I used to have a lot of cats here, guys. We used to love this stuff. Throw it on there for the other cats. Yep. So yep. Hey guys, there you go. Barra, catch, and clean. That's what's up. Just making sure fishing, guys, at you. That's what's up. Fan it out. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Making sure fishing, guys. Lure fishing. Come on. You're making shore fishing, guys. Fish on. Nice barra this morning, guys. Barra hunter. Yeah. Got him. Yeah. You're making shore fishing, guys. Lure fishing. Look at that. Jamaican shore fishing, guys.